morning, everyone, and happy Wednesday. So I am bringing with you guys my favorite deals at CVS starting the 22nd through the 28th. So I'm going to have the ad scan for you guys in the description box, similar to my Walgreens video, so you guys can see the full ad scan. So this is just a few of my favorite deals, and I will have a full deal video on Sunday with all of the math and all of my little tips and tricks on how you guys can save even more money. So the first deal, and probably the deal everyone is talking about, is the Nexus deal. So any Nexus shampoo, conditioner, or styler, when you spend $20, you're going to get $10 back in extra care bucks, and we are getting 5 off 1 coupons coming in our Retail Me Not insert. So what you can do is buy 2 of the Caviar Complex conditioners. They are priced for $11.99. It comes to $23.98. You can use 2 of the 5 off 1 Nexus coupons from the $9.22 Retail Me Not. Now, if there's a limit of 1, then this math is going to vary, but I don't have the insert yet, so I don't know what the verbiage is. You can also use a 3 off 12 CRT for hair care, so you would end up paying $10.98, earn a $10 extra care buck, making it 98 cents, and then you could submit your receipt to Fetch Rewards because Nexus is a bonus brand on Fetch Rewards, so you will earn more points when you submit your receipt. If you are not signed up, now is the time to sign up to start rocking those points and get those gift cards, especially with the holiday season coming. So speaking of gift cards, we have a spend $50, get $10 in an extra care buck when you spend $50 in the Children's Place. So this is a great deal. So essentially the $50 gift card is really $40. So you can flip that $10 extra care buck and roll it into other deals. Or you could, purchase groceries with your extra care buck. You can always use your extra care bucks to buy eggs. You can always use your extra care buck to buy cereal and granola bars, oatmeal, miscellaneous grocery items. So this is a great deal. And then I also posted a video all about how to save money at the Children's Place. So if you haven't seen that video, I have it hyperlinked here, and I'll also put it in the iCards above for you guys to check that out. So this is a great promo for the Children's Place, or even if you just want to purchase this and gift it to a kid in your family. For the holiday time, this is a great deal. So next deal is on Nyx Cosmetics. So they're on a spend $20, get $10 in extra care bucks. So I think this is a great deal. We don't really see this promo for Nyx Cosmetics at CVS all that often. Usually Black Friday, we get the lip gloss deal when it's like 2 for $11.98, and then you get the $10 extra care buck, but we haven't had a spend 20, get 10 in a very long time. So looking at the CVS.com website, these prices may vary depending on your area, but I saw the Nyx translucent powder, which is actually something I have tried, and it is $10.49, and then they also have a brow pencil for $10.99, so both products will be $21.48. And then if you have a 3 off 12 for cosmetics, you could pair it here. So it makes it $18.48 with that CRT. Then you earn a $10 extra care buck, making it $8.48 each. So a little bit out of pocket, but not bad if you like the Nyx cosmetic line. There are a ton of really great items you can pick up from Nyx Cosmetics. I've been a fan for a while, and they are under the same umbrella as L'Oreal, so I really love L'Oreal as well, so I'm not surprised that I like the Nyx cosmetic brand. Okay, so this is a deal that's been running the past few weeks, and it's the Tide Simply Pod, so the 13 count. They're priced for $2.94. There is a $2 app coupon, so it makes it 94 cents. I went ahead and picked this up this past week, so I don't think the app coupons restart when the week starts. Let me know if the app coupons do restart, because I'm not sure about that one. Okay, so the next deal is on the CVS brand Band-Aids and itch cream. So they're priced for spend 12, get 4. And this would be a really good time to utilize your Care Pass benefit, or if you are not signed up for Care Pass, Care Pass is essentially a program that CVS has rolled out. I'm pretty sure that it's all over the country now, but you pay $5 every single month. It's a charge that goes to your debit card or your credit card, and then you get a $10 extra care bucks every single month. So basically you make $5 each month, which is great if you shop CVS all the time. But another benefit that it has is you get 20% off of CVS health items. So if you have the Care Pass or you want to sign up for the Care Pass, you could purchase a variety pack of Band-Aids, which is $12.99. It's the 120 count. You can use your 20% discount with the Care Pass, and you'd end up paying $10.40, and then you get a $4 extra care buck, making it $6.40. And when you sign up for the Care Pass, you get the $10 extra care buck instantly. So if you wanted to do this deal, first out of the gate, you could go for the $12.99 for the Band-Aids, take 20% off. You can use your $10 extra care bucks. So you would pay 40 cents and then get your $4 extra care bucks. So that would be a nice way to kind of start out your deal with Care Pass. So I've had Care Pass for the past few weeks, and I absolutely love it. So these are all the deals that I'm going to share with you guys right now. I just wanted to pick out a few that I thought were really, really good. And especially giving you a heads up on the Children's Place as well as the Nexus. So if you order inserts, or if you're planning on buying inserts, then or buying newspapers, I wanted to give you a heads up on this. I ran out of those Nexus coupons that I got from my CVS cashier, so I sent out as many of those as I could. But check your CVS's, because that's where I got the coupons originally. So check your CVS's, and you might see some Nexus coupons floating around. I am not against you guys picking up the Nexus coupons and holding on to them. I'm not someone who thinks it's wrong to take peelies or whatnot, so just wanted to throw that out there. I also wanted to share with you guys that we have 2 more days for the Hold On, I Have a Coupon for That shirt. So I launched a shirt on Bonfire. We are 2 shirts away for them going to print. So we currently sold 9 in this second round. So if you want to go ahead and purchase this shirt, I made it as cheap as possible for you guys. And all the proceeds will be going to Periods Happen. And if you don't know about that, I'll have a video explaining it. But this is the front of the shirt, and then on the back it says Switch Lanes, I'm a couponer. So I will have a link for this shirt for purchase. So thank you in advance for anyone who has purchased this shirt or who may consider purchasing this shirt in the next few days, because we need 2 more people to buy the shirt so the other coupons can so the other shirts can go to print. So I hope you guys have a fantastic Wednesday with whatever you are doing today, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.